August Livelihoods tries to understand how to lead a Gram Panchayat. What is a Gram Panchayat? Gram Panchayat consists of elected representatives including Sarpanch and ward members of the village. GP works to achieve economic development and social justice through preparation of Gram Panchayat development plan, mobilization of available resources, conducting Gram Sabha and facilitating people's participation in the village development activities, providing services, implementing center and state level schemes, and works related to 29 subjects. It works for the comprehensive development of the villages under it. Gram Panchayats in the country. As per Census 2011, there are 6,49,481 villages in the country, where 68.9 populations lives. Gram Panchayat is the basic governance structure at grassroots level in the country. According to a report by the Ministry of Panchayat Raj and Ministry of Rural Development, as on June 2020, there are 2,61,868 Gram Panchayats. Uttar Pradesh state has the highest number of Gram Panchayats at 58,761 and Sikkim state has the lowest number of Gram Panchayats at 185. Around 32 lakh people's representatives are elected every 5 years for the local bodies. Gram Panchayat functions. Gram Panchayat's various functions are given below. Conducting Gram Sabha for 4 times in a year. Developing inclusive plan for water and sanitation to address the needs of the households in the village under the Gram Panchayat, including the drinking water and sanitation facilities in Gram Panchayat development plan and mobilizing resources. Encouraging village sanitation and water committee VWSC members for capacity building trainings. Assisting in implementing center and state government schemes at village level. Identifying of beneficiaries for the development schemes. Conducting programs for adult education and family welfare in the village. Promoting unity and harmony among the people in the village. Coordinating information, education and communication IEC at village level. Mobilizing people's contribution in kind or labor for creation and maintenance of water and sanitation facilities. Strengthening village level functionaries. Monitoring the status of cleanliness, water resources and sanitation. Ensuring facilities in public places such as market and bus stands. Role of Gram Sabha in village development. Gram Sabha is a grassroots level democratic institution. Earlier, the government representatives implemented development measures and schemes through a top-down approach. However, they found that without people's sufficient participation at grassroots level, desirable results cannot be achieved. In this process, the Constitutional 73 Amendment Act was passed by the then Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao government. It recognized the democracy and people at grassroots level are key elements in development. Thus, bottom-up approach evolved with the introduction of Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayati and Gram Sabha. The functions of Gram Sabha are as follows. Examining annual statements of accounts, audit reports, audit note and seeking clarification from Gram Panchayat. Discussing report on the administration of the preceding year. Reviewing program for the year. Any new programs and reviewing all kind of works undertaken by the Gram Panchayat. Considering proposals for fresh taxation for enhancement of existing taxations. Approving the selection of schemes, beneficiaries locations, identification and implementation of various development programs. Mobilizing voluntary labor and contribution of kind and cash. Undertaking programs for adult education and family welfare within the village. Promoting unity and harmony among all sections of the rural community. Seeking clarifications from the Sarpanch and ward members of the Gram Panchayat about schemes, income and expenditure. Considering the budget prepared by Gram Panchayati and future development programs and plans. Maintaining a complete register for all development works undertaken by Gram Panchayat or any other entity. approving plan of action. Critical aspects of Gram Panchayat's performance. There are various critical elements in Gram Panchayat's performance. They are given below. Panchayat functioning, Panchayat meetings, Grama Sabhas, Standing Committee for various programs, management of personnel and capacity building, training to elected representatives, officials at Gram Panchayat meetings, review of Gram Panchayat staff, planning and budget formulation, preparation of annual plans, process of annual plans preparation, income generation, planning for own income by leasing assets or creation of new assets, collection of house tax and professional tax, voluntary contributions mobilization. Performance, physical targets and expenditure against allotment, expenditure for various vulnerable communities welfare, strengthening of schools, public distribution shops, health institutions and Anganwadis, strengthening of self-help groups, youth groups and other vulnerable communities groups, special initiative for the vulnerable communities welfare, address the social issues such as child labor, caste-based discriminations and other discriminations, solve family problems, marital issues and property issues at village level, accountability and transparency, maintaining Gram Panchayat accounts in prescribed manner and placing it before Gram Sabha, conducting proper audit, grievances received and addressed by under the Right to Information Act. Model villages. The model village concept has a long history. Particularly in 2009-10, model village concept was evolved by the central government. Model village selection is based on broad 4 parameters. They are as follows. Sustainability, better health facilities, smart education, housing livelihoods, capacity building of all stakeholders, clean drinking water and sanitation, environmental sustainability. Community involvement, participation in village development plans, mobilizing resources for plans implementation and active interaction with elected representatives, monitoring the funds utilization, influencing personal and community behavior. Technology, delivery of government services to the household, information communication and technology accessible to farmers, remote sensing for resource mapping and better utilization of resource, land records modernization, biometric usage in PDS, pension and insurance services. Connectivity, road connectivity to towns and other areas, easy and affordable transportation, digital connectivity and mobile connectivity, power connectivity through renewable resources, financial connectivity. There are many model villages in the country. 3 model villages such as Gangadevipalli in Telangana, Punsari, Gujarat and Havri Bazar, Maharashtra have been identified for various studies. In these villages, the elected representatives succeeded in making villages as model villages through community participation at all levels, accountability and transparency. These villages achieved 100% performance in prohibition of alcohol, house tax collection, construction of individual latrines, family planning operations, preventing child labor, ensuring all children in schools and drinking water facility to all families. In Gangadevarapalli, 25 committees were formed to take forward the village development activities. Except in Street Lights Committee, all committees have women representation. It shows the importance of community participation in village development. Issues and problems. There are many problems and issues in Gram Panchayats. These issues are preventing village development in a big way. The issues are given below. Gram Sabha meetings are not conducted regularly and in a proper way. Only a minimum of two meetings of Gram Sabha are being conducted. Funds allotment is not happening in time. Lack of sufficient funds from the union and state financial commissions is a problem. Tax collection in villages is very poor. According to Economic Survey 2017-18, urban local government generated 44% of their own the revenue from own sources, but rural local government generated only 5% of revenue. Insufficient financial resources, lack of transparency and accountability in schemes implementation and financial matters. Less people participation in village development activities, bureaucracy and corruption at various levels, lack of sufficient capacity building to all stakeholders, including elected representatives, lack of sufficient staff at village level, gap between institution capacities and facing challenges, lack of focus on local solutions. Conclusion: people's participation is critical in village development. Focus should be on four important areas such as economic, health, welfare and livelihoods, and resources mobilization and proper utilization. Thank you.